Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. So let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards for your daily reading and love reading, guys, and then I'll give you the message from your person at last. Death, Seven of Cups, Two of Wands reversed, Virgos. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for few of you all, you may what to say, you are reflecting within yourself about your success and failures of the past, whatever that you had and whatever you are planning to achieve in your future. So you are thinking about those things, reflecting within yourself, what is your place and what is your state today. Maybe you feel that those things are some way not so good. You do not feel happy for those achievements. You are feeling bad because of certain things that you have lost, and you are feeling sad about those things, and you are also seeing those achievements, happy about those few things that you have achieved, and you feel that joy and happiness because of that, some kind of what to say, enchantment, wonderful feeling you have in yourself. This may be regarding this person in your relationship. You have that great attraction towards them, a sense of wonder looking at them, and looking at the way that you are attracted to them. So maybe for some of you all, you are coming back into your normal self, that phase when you have that what to say, that great attraction towards somebody, that is starting to decrease, and you are seeing their true face, you are seeing their true character, and you are feeling certain kinds of what to say, disappointments or conflicts in yourself because of that. So that may be the energy here, guys, and that is the reason that something is ending here, guys. Maybe the way you see them, before you used to love them, have that great attraction towards them, but you see them today as something different. What you see is what you do not like, so you do not know what to do, guys. So that may be the energy here, Virgos. So that is the reason that you are thinking about your past, reflecting within yourself what were the good things and what were the bad things that happened in this relationship, or this may also concern your work situation. So sometimes in your work, certain collaborations or certain decisions that you did in your work, that would have given you a different kind of image. So you were expecting certain lucrative returns, but as things proceed, you feel whatever you expected is not happening in your work. So that may be the reason for certain disappointments, and what you expected is not manifesting. So that is the way you feel about your situation today, Virgos. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. It will give us better clarity, guys, regarding your situation. House, Snake, Key. Virgos, with these cards, maybe the reason that you are not getting what you expected is because you want to have that secure and safe, comfortable feeling in your work or in this relationship. You are securing your boundaries, you are stabilizing your place in this relationship. So, when things are not going towards that stabilizing and security, you are feeling conflicted with that situation, and you have a certain, what to say, that situation is not meeting your expectations. Or maybe just like I said before, the image you had about this person, you would have felt they are different, but when you are up close with them, and when you know them, when you see the true image, you cannot relate to them. You feel there is a vast gap between what you thought they were and what they are today, and you have those conflicts within yourself and struggles. Or this may be regarding your work also, just like I said, your situation in work. So when things are not happening according to your expectation, so you have some conflicts within yourself, and you feel the sense of loss or defeat in some way. But with this card, this is a very positive card here, guys, this key. So maybe you are going to overcome it with your confidence and courage in your heart, inspiration to do so, guys. So whatever obstacles that you're facing, whatever conflicts that you're facing, you are going to, what to say, overcome that. You are going to feel that security and safety in your relationship, that stabilizing energy in this relationship, and you are going to overcome all those obstacles that you are facing. You are going to have that resolution and courage, and you are going to feel empowered to reach your goals, whatever you want to manifest, Virgos. So that is the energy here. Maybe if you had that true love in the beginning with them, that love will work magic, guys. That love will turn them around, make them the person that you want to love. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So that may be the energy with these cards, guys. So if you had that true love with them, that love will work magic. That is what I feel with these cards. So there is potential in your relationship, guys. You should, if you really love this person, I think you can work magic with your love. So let us see what is their love message for you all today, guys. What do they feel about you or about this relationship? I can be as silly as I like without worrying that you would love me less. So this person shares a great understanding with you, guys, and they know what you like and what you dislike, and though they know you what you like and dislike, they can be themselves with you. That is what they are saying here. So they have that great compatibility with you. They share a great compatibility with you, guys. So that is the reading for you all, Virgos. If you like this reading, please give a like and comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.